In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create forms in Monday.com step by step. If you want to collect client information, internal requests, feedback, or project details directly into your board, Monday.com forms make it incredibly simple. The best part is that every form submission automatically turns into a new item inside your board, so you can track and manage everything in one place. I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging in to sharing your form and organizing responses. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, you need to open the board where you want to collect responses. This is important because your form will be directly connected to a specific board. If you already have a board set up for collecting requests or managing projects, open that one. If not, you can quickly create a new board by clicking the Create button and setting up a fresh board based on your needs. Remember, every column you add to your board can become a field inside your form, so structure your board with that in mind. Once your board is open, go to the top left area of the board interface and click on Add View. This is where you can switch between different ways of viewing your board, like Kanban, Calendar, Timeline, and more. From the list of available view options, select Forms. As soon as you click it, Monday.com will automatically generate a form based on the columns that already exist in your board. You'll now see the Form Editor, where you can fully customize how your form looks and behaves. Now it's time to customize your form. You can drag and drop columns to control the order in which fields appear. If there are certain columns you don't want included in the form, simply remove them from the form view. For each field, you can decide whether it should be required or optional. This is especially useful if you need certain information, like an email address or project name, before someone can submit the form. You can also rename field labels to make them clearer and more user-friendly. For example, instead of a column called Status, you might rename it to Type of Request for the form. Additionally, you can add descriptions or short instructions under each field to guide people filling it out. This reduces confusion and improves the quality of the responses you receive. Take a few minutes to review the layout and make sure the form flows logically from top to bottom. A clean and simple structure will increase completion rates. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to share your form. Go to the top right corner and click on Share Form. Monday.com will generate a shareable link that you can copy. You can send this link through email, share it with your team, or embed it directly onto your website. This makes it perfect for client intake forms, support requests, job applications, or internal team submissions. Now, whenever someone fills out and submits the form, their response will automatically create a new item inside your connected board. Each answer will populate the matching columns, keeping everything organized without any manual data entry. From here, you can use filters to sort submissions, set up automations to notify team members, or build dashboards to track trends and performance. This is where Monday.com really becomes powerful, because your form isn't just collecting data, it's feeding directly into your workflow. And that's it. That's how you create a form in Monday.com. Customize it, share it, and automatically collect responses inside your board. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.